Day to all the employers of Hong Kong. I'm Jebel Lapus, 42 years old, from San Casimiro, Licab, Nueva Ecija, Philippines. I am married with two sons, with 17 and 13 years old. I'm a college undergraduate of Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education. I worked before in Dubai for 2 years with 8 members of the family, 3 adults and 5 children, and in Singapore for 3 years with 3 elderly, and in Kuwait for 3 years with 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children, including newborn babies. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, washing and ironing the clothes, washing the car, cooking, and taking care of the babies. I'm responsible, reliable, honest, and trustworthy. I want to work in Hong Kong to give my family a better future. I hope you find me suitable to work in your family, and I promise to do my best to be a good employee. Good day, ma'am, sir. Thank you.